Hello, children. Every day you see thousands of advertisements on the internet, on the billboards and hoardings on your way to school, and then during television programs. In this chapter, Understanding Advertising, we shall learn as what are advertisements all about and how they play a role in our minds and lives. In this chapter, we will learn about what is advertising, importance of advertising. Advertising is important for the seller, it is important for the customer as well as for the society. Means of advertisement, door-to-door advertisement, posters and leaflets, electronic media, display. Types of advertisements, political advertisements, informative advertisements, social advertisements, commercial advertisements, and classified advertisements that we shall study in detail. Making of advertisements, branding and cost, advertisement and some regulations. Importance of advertising. Advertising is important for the seller. Know their competitors and plan to bring out products. If any company wants to launch a new product in the market, advertising will help to establish the product. It also creates goodwill for the company and they plan to bring out products that can match the level of competition. Advertising helps to create goodwill for the company and gains customer loyalty. Advertising helps to create and increase the demand for the product. Advertising plays a very important role in customers' life. Customers buy the product only after they are made aware of the products available in the market. It also helps people to find the best products for themselves, their children and their family. When they come to know about the range of products, they are able to compare the price, features and uniqueness of the products. Advertisement also increases curiosity in the minds of the customers. It is human tendency to be curious and experiment with new products. Advertising is important for the society too. You would have seen advertisements in newspapers and billboards at various places all over the city which convey the messages which are of social importance. It educates people. There are some social issues also which advertising deals with, like child labor, ill effects of smoking and liquor consumption, female infanticide, pollution, anti-malaria campaigns, family planning, traffic regulation, and so many. There are various means of advertisement. Door-to-door advertisement. The samples of the product are exhibited or distributed from door to door to make people aware of the product. Electronic media. It is the most popular means of advertisement today. People see the advertisement repeatedly between programs and this leaves an image in their mind. When they go to the market, they remember the product and tend to buy it. Billboards. Advertisement boards of various sizes and shapes are displayed in market areas, on bus stand, along roads, behind or on sides of buses, taxis and trains. In smaller towns, you can also see them printed on walls of houses and shops. Display. Companies also promote their products by attractive displays in trade fairs, malls, shopping areas, and close to parks. Now let us know about the types of advertisements. Political advertisement. These are advertisements aimed to inform the people about policies, achievements and goals of political parties. They may be in the form of leaflets, handouts, posters and commonly show symbols and photos of the candidates so that people recognize and elect their leaders. Informative advertisements. These advertisements are informative in nature and are put up in the media for spreading information. They may be from various departments of the government asking for people and businessmen to give their rates for specific works called tenders. Social advertisement. Advertisements made for the purpose of drawing the attention of public towards social issues are grouped as social advertisement. Save the tiger, save the environment, the pulse polio campaign, save water, and such issues are common examples of these advertisements. Commercial advertisement. These are advertisements put up in various media by companies or business people to lure all sections of society to purchase their product or utilize their services. They may be from cars to houses, toys to chocolates, household goods, clothes and dress material. And the last one is classified advertisement. These are advertisements in the print media which are classified under various heads like automobile sale and purchase, transportation services, canal products, computer sales and repairs, sale purchase or rental services in property. Making advertisement is an industry in itself. The companies make products and the advertising agencies work on how to design or creatively make an advertisement which ultimately attracts the attention of the customer. It could be posters, film clips, handouts, door to door advertisement. The marketing and advertising agencies enlist the services of famous personalities from sports, sign world, or other walks of life to associate with the advertisement. They may make attractive slogans which help growth of popularity. They also analyze as to who in the family forces the buyer to purchase the product. Here, for example, children insist on their parents to buy a particular shoe or energy drink as they feel it relates to their idol in real life. Now, children, listen to these words: Apple, Google, Coca Cola, Microsoft, Toyota, IBM, Samsung, Amazon, Mercedes, BMW, McDonald, Disney. So, these are the names of some of the brands. So, what is a brand? Brand is a trade name of a good and the company which produces it. Now, why is branding important? The companies are very sensitive of their brand name as people recognize them for their quality by their name. Certain brands have become style and statements. Their products are very costly and very few people can afford them. Branding is also important for quality control. Companies with brand names wish to maintain their quality of high standard so that they do not get a bad name by poor customer satisfaction. Now let us know about the cost of advertisement. Making and projection of advertisement is very costly. The cost of creativity in thought and design is high. The cost of taking the services of public idols from sports, film world cost lakhs of rupees. Then the cost to the media houses for projecting the same also runs into crores of rupees. Advertisement and some regulations. The regulations of advertisements are made to protect the consumer from unfair, incorrect, and socially undesirable advertisements. If you have ever watched an advertisement in a film theater, it has a censor certificate like a film itself. This is to ensure that the indecent or inappropriate advertisements are not put in front of the people. You may have heard about the ban on cigarette and liquor advertisement as they are harmful to health. There are regulations that the advertisement should not be misleading and factually incorrect. One can complain in the consumer courts if a company gives out an advertisement which is false and baseless or does not stand to the actual properties of the product.